and gentlemen, sorry for the interruption. My name is Alejandro.
And my name is Carlos.
We are not gonna lie to you, we are not here selling candy for no school basketball team. In fact, I don't even go to school, and if you want me back in school today, I got candy for you.
Did she go to the safe home?
I wanna know if my sister's there.
What's up? How you doing?
It's gonna go Izzy's van. Your name on the bottom.
Why your name gotta be so big?
Because it's gonna be my van.
All right, this is how it's gonna go. My name goes on the van, and you pick the color. And I hold the money, because you don't know how to count.
What are you talking about?
You never even finished school.
At least I finished 10th grade. You didn't go to school. Ali,
What are you still doing up?
I need to know who was upstairs today.
Why?
Because I'm missing money.
Johnny! Oh, hey! Stop him! Stop him!
Hey!
Stop him!
Kid, what are you doing? Wait.
I know what you lied about them. You lied about them. You ain't gonna tell them you cheated me.
Ali!
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna hang out for a couple
But for
of
what?
friends. To chill.
Chill with who?
What the fuck is going on, man?
Listen to me. What's going on with you these days? You gotta straighten it out.
You didn't steal it, did you?
I'm working. You should be working too.